So I have the Garmin Forerunner 255, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to factory reset this watch. Now this will wipe all the user data on the watch and will set it back to exactly the way it was when you took it out of the box for the first time. It's a clean factory reset that will wipe all the data. So what you want to do is simply press and hold this button and then scroll down and scroll all the way down to System, and then select System, and then under System you want to scroll all the way down again until you get to Reset. Select Reset, and you have options to reset default settings. You have the option to delete all activities, and you have the option to reset totals, and then you have the option to delete data and reset settings. And that's what we want. This will delete everything on the phone, on the watch, and reset all the settings. This is the one that's going to perform beg your pardon. So this is the one that's going to reset everything. So select that and then confirm you want to restore default settings and clear all data including activities. That's exactly what you're trying to do. So select that and the screen will go off, and all you need to do now is give it time to perform that factory reset. As you can see, there's something happening on the screen. Just give it time until it finishes the whole process. There you go. So it takes us back to the initial startup screen where you're choosing a language. And that's basically a complete factory reset of your Garmin Forerunner 255. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.